What's up, guys? I'm walking. I don't know if you can see how fucking tan I am right now. I think I look like some kind of Tunisian, and I'm sorry, I can see my reflection in the camera here, and it looks like my lips are white as fuck. I'm sorry for my heavy breathing as well. Yeah, you know, my lips are white because I shattered my lip, and I had to put some lotion on it, so you know, to heal it faster, to ease the pain or something. I don't know, but it works. But I look like a fucking 13-year-old girl trying to look like a kitty. I don't know if you guys know them internationally, but here in Sweden, I'm not in Sweden now, so to say that, just to even say here in Sweden is wrong. And I want to keep my voice down, because even though I am in France, not by the time that you watch this, but I'm in France right now, there are, in the neighborhood that I'm at right now, there are English persons. Oh my god, what the fuck is wrong with my... Whew. You know why? If I were to walk on a flat surface, or downhill, I wouldn't have this heavy breathing problem. But now I'm walking up hills, and it's a fucking endless hill. Here, it's an endless motherfucking hill all the way up to the mountain. And this road that I'm walking on, it goes around, like in a circle around the mountain, and then back down again. So I'm gonna have to walk a fucking long road up the mountain, and then when I get around it, I'm gonna walk downhill. Oh my god. I just had some ice cream as well, so I'm out here burning that way. And also here in France. Oh my god, wow. Whew, I must stop this. Anyway, here in France, I have noticed that people drive like fucking maniacs. It's the same thing with Italy. And I've been to France before, but it feels like, you know, in Sweden people can drive pretty... Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to slow down. People can drive kind of violently, I guess, but with more control, and you know, with a little sense of safety for everyone, I guess. Woo. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, okay, so there's trees blocking the view. We have a little peak hole there. So, my point was that here in France, people drive like fucking maniacs. You can see these roads here, and you see this curve here. A French person would come here, or can come here in a second now, just to drive straight on in like 100 kilometers an hour, completely crazy and unaware of if someone would show up behind the fucking curb. I think it's pretty irresponsible. Oh, here's a better viewpoint out there. And up there more. Anyways. So yeah, this is pretty scary, because at any time now, a fucking car can pop out from the corner there and hit me. But that would make for a great video anyways. And I think you understand what I'm talking about, because I can send it into like some sort of perhaps send it to Ravel William Johnson, or send it to America's Funniest Home Videos, but I'm not American, and this didn't happen in America. And there's a fucking dog barking at me. A second. Hey dog, what you doing? What you doing, dog? Oh, he's completely crazy. And I'm fucking scared of dogs as well. Whew. I bet Edison would love that, but I'm scared of dogs, but I do kind of want a dog. Anyways, so here's a better viewpoint, I guess. So, guys, yes. Also, a really tragic thing happened now when I was gone. A fucking maniac in Norway. Oh my god, my hair gets... I'm sorry, my hair got stuck in the headphones. So yeah, a fucking maniac in Norway killed, I think, totally 94 persons. It's a fucking insane, tragic, and my condolences goes out to everyone in Norway who was touched by this monstrous event or something, because it was fucking horrible, and I don't understand how a fucking person can do something like that. Just planned the whole thing for 9 years, go out and kill 84 teenagers in cold blood with a weapon. 84 in an hour. It's fucking insane, and it's tragic. And then the worst thing is that the media in Sweden here are trying to put the blame for this on what they call far-right parties or extremists or whatever, when they clearly aren't, and especially when they have support from the people by, like, in some countries 25%. In Norway, for example, where this happened. So, I mean, you can't call 25% of the Norwegian people for racists or far-right extremists or whatever you want to, in whatever category you want to put them into, because they're not. You're the fucking idiot who's trying to put them in a category. Anyways, it feels like I'm fucking smoking, but I'm not. Oh, fuck you, bird. No, this might be my asthma lungs, because I have asthma, so I might be affected by that. But I don't know, I think this is a mixture by talking and walking up a fucking hill, because it's a fucking long hill as well. I have to put the camera down for a second so you can see my beautiful double chin here. Now I'm not gonna let you see that heinous fucking thing. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this here, because this video is gonna be so fucking long otherwise. I wish I could show you something beautiful, but if I wanted to show you something, I would have to go in the other direction. Oh, my back hurts as well. Oh, I'm fucking ashamed of even working out, because I feel so fucking out of shape, but I'm not. Fuck you if you think I am, because I'm not. At least I like to tell myself I'm not. So guys, if you have stayed with me so far, you're crazy. But I guess that means that you like me, and that means I like you too. So yeah, kisses to everyone. No, not everyone. I sound like a fucking communist. Well, communists wouldn't kiss everyone, but the fucking kids these days who thinks communism is such a great thing because everyone gets treated the exact same. They want to kiss everyone, and I'm not like them. And fuck it all. I won't get into fucking politics. Different ideologies here. Thanks for watching, I guess, and peace out. Once again, I'm sorry for everything in Norway. Not that it's my fault. I'm sorry for my heart goes out to everyone there. Bye, guys.